If your DVR or NVR does not record, even though your recording settings are correct and you might have changed the hard disk drive, and so you are sure that the hard disk drive is also working properly, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will be showing you what could cause your DVR not to record, even though your hard disk drive is correct and your recording settings are also correct. And I would as well show you what you can do to ensure that your recordings go on properly. The hard disk drives or surveillance drives that are installed in the DVRs or NVR contain mechanically spinning disks that require constantly steady power to manage data storage. And as you may be aware, part of the voltage that is fed into the DVR through this point is what is picked from the DVR's board here and fed into the hard disk drive or surveillance drive. And whenever the voltage that is fed from the adapter used in powering up the DVR is not supplying the right current and voltage to the surveillance drive to be able to spin the disk in the surveillance drive, data storage will not be possible. And so in such a case, what do you have to do? You must always look out for a new adapter with the exact voltage and current rating that is recommended by the manufacturer of your DVR, so that you will be able to supply the right voltage and current to your DVR for the surveillance drive to also get its required voltage and current from the board of the DVR or NVR. That will solve the recording problem. If you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and also turn on your notification so you can always be notified anytime we come up with new videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.